Hey guys, Travel Tech 360 back with you with another video. Today we're going to talk about the gimbal angle on the Mavic Air 2. A lot of you guys are trying to do shots that may be not quite high enough in your elevation to actually get something in your picture. And it always drives me crazy when I'm trying to get the sun and the sun is just above that 0 degrees. I find myself backing up, which definitely doesn't help. You know, so I'm always trying to figure out how I could get the drone to angle just a little bit more to get that little shot that I need. Or in a lot of cases, sometimes I want to do an eclipse or do something where it's showing the moon and I just can't quite get it in the picture no matter what I do. I have found myself at times being in between very, very tall buildings and just needing to be able to get just that extra little bit of height on my shot to get the top of something, and I never can seem to get it. Now in the DJI Fly app, there is settings that are all default. So a lot of you guys are just using the default settings that are in there, and there's actually an extra setting in there which will let you get a little bit more little height on your gimbal to get it up. And today we're going to show you where to find that. And I was just looking, you know, I know most of the settings that were in there, and I use most of the default settings in there and pretty much play with opening up the ISO and the lens and everything on the camera itself on the drone, and I never have put a bunch of time into the actual controller. So I sit down and went through some of the extra stuff in there, and I found a setting in there that I didn't notice before that'll give you an extra 24% upward angle on that, and we want to show you where that's at. And I leave mine on all the time now because, I mean, heck, if it's there, you might as well use it. So as you're doing this and you're watching the video, turn your drone on, turn your controller on, open the DJI app, and actually go into the control button and scroll down. So we're going to show you where the setting is and what it does, and then I'll be back with you after the screen recorder shot that I took off my my cell phone, where you can actually see where to find the adjustment and turn it on to activate it. So if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Let's get into the intro and then we'll get into the video, and then I'll be back with you after the video. Okay guys, open the DJI Fly app up. I'm going to show you how to get a little bit of more angle out of your shot here as far as raising your gimbal up. Going to the top, well, just normally just scroll down and you'll see you can get down here halfway. It's going to be about 44% there. This is going to be 0 degrees at the top. So there's a line at the top and you can see that's the only line on the whole bar. Click on your top 3 buttons, click control. You want to go down, see where it says allow upward gimbal rotation, turn that on, and then go back and look. See where the 0 degrees is now? Right here? Look, keep going up. It gives you an extra 24 degrees. That doesn't seem like a lot, but as you're doing this, watch your camera when you're doing this, and you'll see that'll get you those extra shots you need, that height that you need when you're trying to get the moon or the sun or a plane or something in there. That'll give you the extra little bit that you need. So let's get. Okay guys, so what'd you think? You see where it gives you that little bit extra angle that you need? So I know you're going to be like me, and you're going to go out today and you're going to wait until the time is right, and you're going to actually look at that and see the extra that you get. It really does help. And it's funny because when I made this video, it was like, it's a lot to make just to show one little clip to explain where it's at, and then instead of just saying click controller and scroll down. But I wanted you guys to look and see actually how it's done so you would understand, because sometimes I watch a video and it's not explained very well and I'm sitting here thinking, why can't I understand what the person's saying? So that's pretty much why we made today's video, because for me it was worth that extra bit to find this, and I just wanted to do a video about this so y'all could actually see how it was done. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it's useful to you. I hope it was a good tip. I've got some other tips that we're going to share with you on some new videos that are coming up. So, you know, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or anything or comments that are extra that might help us, please leave the comments below. I respond to everybody that leaves a comment. And other than that, we'll see you on the next video.